Welcome back. I am Sinura Wahalathanthri and I am here with my fourth video from the eShop web development series. So, in my previous videos, we talked about how to create a responsive user sign-in and sign-up page. And we also talked about the validation part of it. So, in my last video, we talked about the Remember Me option briefly. So in this video, we will be talking about it as the main topic. So let's check what this is and why we need it. So generally, we use this option to save the cookies that I have been using. So if you close the window of the site without signing out, the next time you come and open the browser and go to this site, you will be signed in automatically, or the text fields will be auto-filled. So this process is gonna happen until the cookies get destroyed. Now let's examine this process. So before we go to the Remember Me option, we should have an account. So I have given these details and signed up. Now let's go to the sign-in page. So here I will enter my email and password. Okay, now you all can see that I have entered my email and password. Now let's sign in and see. Okay, now let's check whether any cookies are made. So to look this, I have used an extension called Edit This Cookie. So you can see that I have no cookies made over here. Now let's do the same process by giving the Remember Me option. So now I have entered the same details and mostly I will give the Remember Me option. Now I will sign in and check. Now I will go to my Edit This Cookie extension and see. You all can see that there is a unique ID over here. So this is not the cookie that I want. So when you go up, you can see two selects. So one of them contains my email and the other one contains my password. So let's check whether my cookies are correct. So when I go to my email, you can see my email. When I go to my password, you can see my password. So in this extension, the @ symbol is specified by the percentage symbol and the number 40. So you can see that in my Gmail, you all can see the user admin. So instead of @ they have given percentage symbol and the number 40. Okay, so let's exit this page and load this page again. So I will go to my main index. So when I go to there, you all can see that the details I add before are auto-filled. So why do you think this is gonna happen? Yeah, this is gonna happen because I have saved my cookies. Okay, so I will show you what happens when you destroy the cookies. So in this extension, we have an option to destroy my cookies manually. So I'm gonna destroy it and reload my page. So from here, you can destroy my cookies. So I will delete all. So you can see that they tell there are no cookies here. So I'm gonna refresh my page. Yeah, now you can see that the details are gone because I don't have any cookies. So this is the main task of this, and now let's check the backend code. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So in my index.php, in the sign-in box, I have given a switch for the remember me option, as you can see it over here. And I have given an ID so I can capture it from the JavaScript side. So this option, it will work according to that order. So in the beginning of the sign-in box, I have given a PHP script. So inside that, I have given two null values. And I have also given two if blocks. So inside that if block, I have given an ESET. So what does this ESET mean? Okay, so this ESET decides if a variable is declared and is different from null. Okay, so inside that ESET, I have given an array called $cookie. So what is this $cookie? Yeah, so $cookie is an associative array of variables passed through a current script across HTTP cookie. Okay, so after that, inside I have given a string value as email, and I have also assigned it the $cookie to a $email. So I have done the same thing in the other if block, but I have done small changes. So instead of email, I have given password. Okay, you might be thinking, why did I put these two blocks? So the answer for that is because I want to save the cookies as these names. So also when I went to that extension, that there was two selects. And for those two selects, as the name, I'm going to tell them to name them as email and password. Okay, now in my input fields, I have given two values. So for those values, I have given a PHP script and echoed $email. So this is because when you have cookies, these echoes should work. And if they don't have any cookies, these won't work. So this is it all in this code. So let's check the JavaScript side. So when I go to my sign in function, over here I have assigned the remember me to a variable as remember me. And I have also appended to the form data as R. So we have sent this in post method. Okay, now let's check what we will be doing in the sign-in process.php. So over here, I have assigned R to $remember me. And when I go down, you can see an if-else ladder. So I told you about this if-else ladder in my before video. So over here, I have been told that if remember me is equals to true, the cookies should be made. And if not, it should not be made. So for these cookies, I have told set cookie, and I have told the format it should come. So before the format, let's check what is these two things. So I have told for the email, select the $email, that means my email should go. And I have told the time, that means the format of the expiration should come as 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 24 hours, and 365 days. So this means it should come after 1 year. So the cookies should be deleted in 1 year. So in my when I went to my web, I destroyed it manually. So I didn't wait 1 year. So I destroyed it manually. So if I didn't do like that, it should go like that. So the cookie should be destroyed after 1 year. Okay, now when I go to the else, I have told if I haven't given the remember me option, this should not work. That means the set cookie won't work. So this is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So have a nice day and bye.